Good afternoon, my YouTube viewers. What this video is going to talk about is going to talk about exam scores to demonstrate standard deviation. In order to complete this program or script, the first thing that we're going to need to do is we're going to need to import the libraries that we're going to need to execute the program. So we're going to import NumPy as NP, which is your numeric library, and then we're going to import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, which is your visualization library. And then what we're going to do is we're going to set the seed. So what you do is when you set the seed is it sets it up to a common number. So every time you run the program, it will start up, it will initialize with the same number every time. So the seed that we set is going to be np.random.c42. Now we're going to generate a data set to give us exam scores with a normal distribution. So exam scores equals np.random.normal, log equals 75, that's your mean, scale equals 10, that's your standard deviation, and size equals 100. So you have 100 samples. So now you're going to calculate the mean and the standard deviation. So mean score equals np.mean exam score. Standard deviation score equals np.std exam scores. Now we're going to print the mean and the standard deviation. The mean is 73.96 and the standard deviation is 9.04. And we're going to plot the exam scores on a graph. So we're going to plot the figure size is 8,4. It could be 6,4 if you wanted. And then we're going to plot a histogram. So plt.hist brackets exam scores, comma, bins equals 20, comma, color equals blue, comma, edge color equals black, comma, alpha equals 0.7. And then we're going to plot the mean, plt.axv line, brackets, mean score, comma, color equals red, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 1, comma, label equals me. And then we're going to plot the standard deviation for equals plt.axv line, brackets, mean score minus standard deviation score, comma, color equals green, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 1, comma, label equals F, and then standard deviation. plt.axv line, brackets, mean score plus standard deviation score, comma, color equals green, comma, line style equals dashed, comma, line width equals 1. So now we define our X label as exam scores and our Y label as frequency. The title is histogram of exam scores with standard deviation. We plot our legend, we plot our grid, and then we show it. So that is your chart that it's been made. So you can see the exam scores go from close to, well, 0 to 100 really, but the lower end is about 45 and the upper end is like maybe 95. The mean is 73.96 and you can see that in the red dash, and the standard deviation is plus or minus 9.04, and you can see that in the blue dash. So that concludes this particular video, and the next video I think we're going to be talking about measures of position. So I look forward to communicating with you soon.